Hi, in today's video we're going to look at 10 mistakes most young people make and regret later in life. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified whenever we upload a new video. Also check out the first link in the description below if you're looking to make a full-time income from home. Let's get into the content. Mistake number 1. Young people spend money on trivial things. Most young people want to enjoy their life and have fun. They spend money on unnecessary material possessions which make them feel good. There is nothing wrong with being fashionable and buying the latest iPhones, except it's making you poorer. As a young person, your primary goal should be to build a solid financial foundation. To do this, you need to get into the habit of personal development, saving, and learning about investing. After you have built wealth, you can buy anything and everything your heart desires. Mistake number 2. Young people think that schooling is enough to get rich. This isn't really their fault. Society is to blame for this, because we grow up being told that we need to get good grades so we can get good jobs. The real education starts once we've left school, and the real world is very different from the four walls of the classroom. Successful people are the ones who learn daily, even decades after they've left school. Unfortunately, most people stop learning the day they leave school, and that's a big mistake that leads to poverty. Read good books. Listen to audio programs if you're not a big fan of reading. Most books are available in audio format. It's unfortunate that school doesn't teach you how to make money in the real world. That is something you have to learn on your own. Mistake number 3. Young people tend to give up too easily. It is so easy to just quit when something feels too hard. The idea of giving up to just try something else can be an easy option. It might be that you don't like what you're doing, but the biggest mistake you can make sometimes is to give up. Pushing through the hard times is what makes us stronger. When things start getting a little tough, don't take the easy way out. Keep on pushing through and you just might surprise yourself. When you work through something tough and come out the other side, there is no better feeling. Don't give up, keep on fighting. Mistake number 4. Young people accept whatever they hear as truth, and believe anything without researching facts. Young people have great minds, but they will rarely challenge what they hear from the older generation. Youth should be a time of learning, but also questioning what you're told, and even get a deeper understanding of your own best thoughts and points of view. Experience may lead you to discover the issues that seem black and white, are actually shades of gray. Following your instincts can take you a long way if you know how to follow it well. Mistake number 5. Young people invest without research. Reading and hearing stories of people who have made millions investing on the stock market can make it very tempting to give it a go yourself. Investing can be very rewarding, but it's not as easy as just throwing your money away on random shares. You will need to do some research. If you truly want to master investing, the best way to go about it is to study some really good books on that subject. Taking time to read 10 good books about investing on the stock market or real estate can save you from unnecessary headache that comes with losing your hard-earned investment. Mistake number 6. Young people always want instant gratification. Maybe this is the biggest mistake young people make. Young people today are under great pressure to establish a successful career as soon as possible, to find the perfect partner at the earliest opportunity and most importantly, to enjoy themselves right here and now. They always want everything now and that usually leads them to unnecessary shortcuts, debt and an unhappy future. Mistake number 7. Most young people don't save any money. A recent survey of over 1,000 people found that 69% of 18 to 29-year-olds had no retirement savings. Your retirement may seem far off, but you're doing yourself a major disservice if you don't recognize the importance of saving as soon as possible. You shouldn't only save for your retirement. You should also save for investments and for emergencies. It's hard to save when all your friends are buying new stuff, but if you think ahead, you'll be better off than all of them in the long run. Mistake number 8. Young people think that love alone is enough to sustain a relationship. Love is definitely a key ingredient in making a relationship work. However, it is not enough. It is possible to be very much in love with someone, yet to realize that the two of you are fundamentally incompatible. The best relationships are based not on romantic love, but on shared values, dreams and goals. Communication skills and the ability to argue without hurting one another for the sake of it is also vital. Since choosing a life partner is an important decision you have to make, most likely in your 20s, knowing the above will help you. Number 9. Young people try to please everyone. When you're starting out in your early career, it seems natural to want to be on the best of terms with your boss, clients and all of your schoolmates. You may be disappointed when you find out that some of them simply aren't as fond of you as you thought, and you start bending to fit into their expectations. This is a big mistake, because there is no formula that guarantees that everyone will like you. It's very important that you learn how to deal with such people. Mistake number 10. Young people blame their parents for their misfortune. Your parents owe you nothing. They brought you into this world, yes, but they probably did the best they could for you. It's your life and you're the only one who is responsible for it. Your failure or success is yours and not your parents'. Let's recap. Delay gratification. Don't buy things because everyone is doing so. Learn how to save for investment and retirement purposes. Don't believe everything. Ask questions and challenge the status quo. Don't think you're educated because you have the degrees. Learn every day. Try things and don't give up easily. Don't blame your parents or government for your failure. Take responsibility. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you on the next one.